Hey there, in this video you are going to know how to use the prompter option in Capcut on your mobile phone. So first you're going to go to the app Capcut and you're going to open it, and as you can see on the options above there is prompter, so you tap on that. So this feature basically helps you read a script while you're recording yourself to make it easier to make your videos, shorts or reels. So all you have to do is tap the edit in the middle, and then you can just copy or select all of this and delete it, and then you add in your script, but it has to be a maximum of 5,000 characters. So this is my script that I'm going to be reading. So you tap on the green button, and as it shows a countdown, it starts reading. So you start reading the script as you're recording yourself, making life so much easy. So when you're done recording, as the timer shows, so after reading a script, you can just click OK and check it out, see how it is. You can edit or export right away if it's all good. So after this, we're going to export it. So you tap on a green button, export, and it exports. And then you can also edit it in the CapCut with the second option. So if you didn't click that, you can just go and then export it once more, and then edit the way you want to, change the music or any other adjustments you want to make. So that is how you can use the prompter option in CapCut on your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.